Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your favorite time of the year, and I'm Corbin Fraser here to wrap up 2024 with a big festive bang. So we've got everything from wild 2025 crypto predictions to Bitcoin milestones and a whole bunch of XRP legal drama, plus some major AI moves, Unichain gearing up for its big debut, and a whole bunch more. So grab some eggnog, cozy up near the blockchain. Let's finish off the year with some crypto magic. So starting off, crypto asset management companies Bitwise and CF Benchmarks, they've got some juicy predictions for the year ahead. So their separately published reports had, some long lists of unique predictions, but they were in agreement on four key trends there. So firstly, in crypto ETFs, both firms predict Bitcoin ETFs will outdo 2024's $40 billion of net inflows as wealth managers jump in and existing ETF holders increase their allocations. Second, stablecoins. The firms are in agreement that a friendlier regulatory environment under the Trump administration will trigger a stablecoin boom. Bitwise is predicting the stablecoin market cap will double to $400 billion, while CF Benchmarks is calling for a slightly more tame 50% to the $300 billion mark. So thirdly, tokenization. Both Bitwise and CF Benchmarks see real-world tokenization, real-world assets as an area of high growth in 2025 as Wall Street finally catches on. So Bitwise predicts that the value of tokenized real-world assets, or RWAs, this is excluding stablecoins, will more than triple, surpassing $50 billion, while CF Benchmarks is calling for a modest doubling to just $30 billion. Lastly, crypto AI agents. Both firms are in agreement that autonomous bots will have a big year in 2025. CF Benchmarks is predicting that AI agents will drive over 10% of all on-chain activity in 2025, while Bitwise is saying tokens launched by AI agents will lead a meme coin mania bigger than 2024's. Investment management firm Vaneck also sees the crypto bull market blazing on in 2025, with Bitcoin hitting $180,000 and Ethereum crossing $6,000. Now, Vaneck is betting on altcoins like Solana and Sui to make some big gains too. They're saying $500 for Sol, so about 250% increase, and $10 for Sui, which is a little more than double the current price for the native token on the Sui blockchain. While a mid-year dip could shake things up, a strong recovery is expected by year end. And the key trends: Bitcoin as a U.S. strategic asset, stablecoins settling $300 billion daily, and DeFi smashing records with $4 trillion in trading volume. Vaneck also predicts that AI agents, NFTs, and some layer 2 solutions are set for some breakout action in 2025. Tether has been crushing it this year, projecting over $10 billion in net profits for 2024. Its USDT stablecoin hit a $140 billion market cap, with demand skyrocketing as crypto continues to rally. Tether's putting half of its profits to work investing in Rumble, biotech, Bitcoin mining, and soon AI. With 109 million wallets holding USDT and crypto-friendly US policies on the horizon, Tether seems poised for another banner year in 2025. President-elect Donald Trump is expected to drop big crypto executive orders on day one, with plans for a national Bitcoin reserve and expanded banking access for crypto firms. Pro-crypto appointments like Paul Atkins at the SEC and a new AI and crypto czar are fueling some industry hopes. And a U.S. Bitcoin reserve, early action could position the U.S. as a leader in digital assets, and that's if it all goes according to plan. Despite SEC battles, Binance.US interim CEO Norman Reed says digital assets are poised to go mainstream by 2025. Reed slammed regulatory hurdles for stifling innovation, but remains optimistic about crypto's future with clearer frameworks and a potential leadership change over at the SEC. Speaking of the SEC, Ripple's clash with the SEC just hit the 4-year mark, and the company is doubling down on calls for change. Ripple's legal chief, Stuart Alderoty, is urging Trump's incoming administration to clean up the SEC's image and set some clear crypto rules. With Ripple scoring a partial win in 2023 and the SEC pushing some appeals, hopes are high for a new leadership to bring regulatory clarity and rebuild some trust within the Bitcoin and the crypto space. A weekly update on the Bitcoin and crypto news would not be complete without mention of Microstrategy, which of course added more Bitcoin to its stash. They added another 3,177 Bitcoin, worth almost $300 million to its treasury last week, boosting its holdings to over 444,000 BTC. Executive chairman and Bitcoin's #1 cheerleader and bull poster, Michael Saylor, praised the move as a gift to shareholders and doubled down on Bitcoin's long-term value, fueling the firm's bold $21 billion BTC yield strategy. Bitcoin just hit another major milestone: 19.8 million BTC mined, leaving less than 1.2 million up for grabs. With 94% of its supply now circulating, the countdown to its 21 million Bitcoin cap is on, sparking fresh debates about its role as digital gold and its scarcity-driven value. Over to Ethereum, and we've got an update on the pioneering smart contract platform's economics. Since Ethereum improved proposal 1559 was implemented in August 2021, Ethereum has burned over 4.5 million ETH, worth about $15 billion today. This burn frenzy, fueled by transactions like NFT trades and DeFi looping, meme coin trading, and more, reduces the supply of ETH as every base fee is permanently destroyed. While ETH isn't fully deflationary yet, its inflation rate has slowed significantly since the EIP 1559 launch. All eyes are on Ethereum's economics, specifically the balance between driving value to ETH on the one hand and providing a good user experience by offering low fees for users on the other hand. So over to Latin America, and El Salvador is sticking to its Bitcoin game plan even after a $1.4 billion credit line agreement with the IMF suggested scaling back the country's crypto activities. El Salvador's Bitcoin office confirmed it's still buying BTC daily, adding 30 BTC this week alone. It will also be keeping Bitcoin as legal tender. While the IMF is encouraging El Salvador to curb its public Bitcoin operations, President Nayib Bukele seems unfazed, continuing to grow El Salvador's BTC reserves and pushing crypto education. The clash leaves some questions about the deal's future and El Salvador's bold Bitcoin-first strategy. Over to Africa, and Ethiopia's national bank might ease up on its crypto ban. The governor suggested new guidelines could be in the works, tied to global trends and moves by other countries. With parliament greenlighting foreign banks to operate locally, Ethiopia could be setting the stage for a more open financial landscape. Over to more innovation, and Permianchain, part of UAE's hodler investments, is teaming up with Vertical Data to roll out GPU as a service tech across the MENA region. Their modular solution in a box aims to boost AI computing by delivering fast, efficient, and low latency processing close to critical data sources. This partnership aligns with the UAE's big AI ambitions, blending cutting-edge tech with sustainable power solutions to reshape regional data centers. And for our final story this week, we have an exciting announcement from Uniswap. Now, Uniswap's Unichain is gearing up for its public mainnet launch on January 6, 2025. After smashing 50 million test transactions on Sepolia, the mainnet promises permissionless fault proofs from day one, letting anyone verify activity. Features like rollup boost and ultra-fast block times are on its way, aiming to reshape blockchain accessibility. Now, DeFi devs, it's your time to shine. And that's a wrap, crypto fam. Thanks for tuning in on this festive edition of our updates. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, do the retweet thing wherever you're watching this thing. Drop your thoughts in some of the comments below. What's your take on Bitcoin's next big move in 2025? What's your favorite top trend? What's your Bitcoin price prediction? Let us know in the comments. Wishing you all a joyous holiday season and a prosperous new year. Until next time, stay safe, stay festive, and keep stacking those sats.